What's up, guys? Welcome back. Hope you're all having a great day. Um, Quick little shout out to new subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. Stick around because we've got a new video coming up very soon. But today I want to talk to you about a beard company called Essential Beard Oil. Beard oils. Yeah, Essential Beard Oils. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, Essential Beards. That's the one. I asked them to send me out some stuff to review for you guys, and they said yeah. I have used their products before, back when I was growing my beard. About a year or two back, I did actually buy some stuff because if you go on Amazon or eBay and you put in beard oils, these guys are literally the seventh slot down. They're literally bang straight there. As soon as you type in beard oils, they're there. Very affordable beard oils. As I say, they sent me some stuff out for free, but I am going to do an honest review for you guys. So this is the package they sent me. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. There you go. So first bit is untitled "Hi from Essential Beards. We hope you enjoy your products as much as we love making them. Any reviews and posts liking back to us would be great. Have fun and keep bearding." So yeah, they sent me a little thing there. First things first, they sent me is this essential little starter pack. All of these products, as I say, from when I bought it before, literally do come like this. They're little travel size, if you ask me. The one thing about this company, the only bad thing I could say is they don't do bigger bottles. This is a 10ml. There you go, 10ml. This is the cedarwood. Smells lovely. As I say, I've got some of it in today. I have been using it. But yeah, it's 10ml. It's quite nice, to be honest with you. As I say, it's good for if you're going off on holiday, as I'm going on holiday next week. Well, this week coming, so I will be taking this with me, just in a little travel kit for if I just go out somewhere and just need to top up or whatever. But yeah, ingredients: sweet almond oil, hemp oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, and a few other little things in there. But yeah, as I say, it's some nice stuff. It's for external use only. So there must be something in it that you can't, it must not be fully 100%, natural. Keep out of eyes, direct sunlight. But yeah, as I say, real nice little oil. Literally, if you're starting out growing a beard, I'd definitely get this little kit. I did look on eBay quickly today just to have a look, see at the prices and stuff, and you can buy a 6-piece set in it for £7. So literally, if you're going and just starting yourself, just started growing the beard, I'd say get this just as your starter upper if you're a full-time grower and you want. But I don't think this is going to last for a full-time grower. Definitely not. So yeah, if you're just starting out and you've got yousome stubble, or you're starting to get hair, you're starting to fill out a bit, I'd definitely get some of this. But anyway, yeah, that's the oil. And then you get in it a beard balm, which is vanilla and mango. It's 15 gram or 0.5 ounce. As I say, very small little things. But at the same time, for the price, you ain't going to get a lot, with all this. But yeah, smells lovely. I mean, I have been using it, as you can see. Real nice stuff. I mean, put it in, it's not lumpy, just rub straight in and then just throw it in that beard. You get some, this is the only thing I haven't used, is the mustache wax to get out of this little kit, because I haven't got a handlebar or nothing, so there's no point in putting anything in. But yeah, it's quite hard, so you'll have to get something in there to pick it out. But yeah, as I say, that's orange, so yeah, smells real nice. Also in this kit, you get a wooden comb. I would buy all this just for this thing. It's quite sturdy as well. Ain't gonna break. You know, you ain't going to be bloody hard on it anyway, but, you know, it's quite sturdy. You know, it's not split or anything, so you ain't going to get no split ends. But as I say, Essential Beards, real good. And the last but not least, you get a little travel bag. There you go. So you can throw all that in it, stick it in your little, you haven't got a man bag for fuck's sake, but like a little bag, put it in, you know, your suitcase or whatever, or your backpack, boom, take that just to work, and you know. Also, I've got another little bag. They love their bags. This is a Liqueur beard oil. This is 30 gram or 1 ounce. This stuff smells lovely. They are. This is what I like about these ones as well. Little pop tops like that. Done. Boom. Absolutely lovely stuff. This smells a bit more masculine. I don't know what the smell is, but yeah, it's got a bit of a like perfumey smell, which is real nice if you don't want to be walking around smelling of oranges or vanilla, you know, and you're going out or whatever. Pop a bit of that in. They are. Might go with your aftershave. But yeah, very nice stuff. As I say, I don't know how much this is because they just sent me this one, so I don't quite know how much it is. But yeah, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, hemp, grapeseed oil, and a bit of perfume, vitamin E. And there you go. As I say, real good for if you're just starting your beard. As I say, for a long time beard, you know, beardsman or beard grower, I don't know if this is going to be enough for you, but as I say, for a starter person, you know, you can't really go wrong. Same with the shampoo, 100 ml. I haven't used this yet, so I will just talk about what it is like before. Sorry about that, guys. I literally thought the camera just went off. Sorry. But yeah, I ain't just going to talk about, I ain't going to like do a proper review on this because I haven't actually used it. So beard oil, beard shampoo and beard conditioner. What I'll do is I'll do a separate review on beard shampoos and everything, and I'll include these. But yeah, scissors. They sent me some scissors out. There you go. Now these scissors, my last video, like I did a review on another company and they sent me some scissors out, was absolutely amazing. As I said in that one, you can't really say much about scissors, but I do prefer their scissors to these scissors, mainly because number one, these are very long and they've got a very like small cutting, you know, the blades are very small, and they've not got, you know, the bit that you put your finger on just to sturdy it out a little bit more. But as I say, for a first timer, there you go, you've got some scissors. Alright. And then last but not least, my favourite bit out of the whole lot, they sent me out some little razor bits and a cutthroat. There you go. I'm literally happy with all this because of this. I mean, I love cutthroat razors and chevettes. I think they do a brilliant job with lining up your beards and everything. I have used this and it is absolutely amazing. I will be doing another review, as I say, on this and a little walkthrough, you know, a little how-to of how to use one of these. But yeah, guys, as I say, I quickly threw this video together, mainly because I needed to get this review out because they've been waiting, and I don't like keeping people waiting. They might have thought that I'd run off their products. As I say, for a company all in all, I think they're doing a good job. Their oils could be a bit bigger. But yeah, so I don't think any of this is like cheap and nasty. It's cheap, you know, but I don't think it's any nasty stuff, you know. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be throwing together one more video before I go away, and then it'll be probably about a week or 2 weeks before I upload again. But as I say, I just wanted to quickly get some content out there for you guys, so you know that I ain't run off or give up on the channel. Alright, guys, but yeah, and I've had a trim. I've had a beard trim because I was getting a lot of split ends and it was just getting to the point where, I don't know, you know, like the ends, like you could see through them, you know, which I don't like. So I thought, give it a good shave and then let it all grow again. Like, not shave, but a trim, and let it all grow again out healthy. You know, as I say, I've been growing that for like, what, 5 months. And at the start, I weren't doing things properly. So I'm going to do things properly this time. But yeah, guys, anyway, I'll be back very soon with a brand new video. Please, if you like this, like and subscribe. If you want me to do anything else, if you want me to do any other reviews by anything, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm very good with, you know, replying as quickly as I can. But yeah, guys, subscribe, like, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Stay safe, stay true, and I'll see you again very soon. Peace.